If you feel like making slime today, then we've got the recipe for you. It's all in the back of Elmer's magical liquid. So, we saw a video. It said we needed a fourth of a, what again?
1/4.
1/4. But in the recipe, it says 2 teaspoons, right?
2 teaspoons. Okay. What are you gonna do first?
So, do we just put this first?
We're gonna read the instructions on that one.
Mm-hmm.
What to say?
Am I even on? Okay. I lace H batches of slime using most Elmer's glue. Are you recording still?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I thought this was just a practice like we always do.
So first we're gonna start by dumping all that in there. It could either be 6 or 4 ounces of glue. Any glue you like. We got 2 today. Okay, we're gonna let it.
Are we gonna make 2 batches or something? 8 batches?
In case we didn't.
Satisfying and unsatisfying at the same time. I don't know why I always stutter during videos. It's just I'm not used to doing normal actions in front of a camera. Go. Okay, the top is completely out. I know it's stuck. I'll talk to you back when we're done making the video about this.
Really?
Yes. Come on.
This video is not sponsored by Elmer's.
Seriously?
It's not.
We just decided to make a video since we were like, we want to make more science videos this year, right?
Yeah. So
we bring you this video.
I guess we can start another.
This?
2 tablespoons. Start with 2 tablespoons.
Oh.
Really? Why don't you scoop it instead? Scoop it. There, see?
There. Now we have a complete 2 tablespoons. I mean, it will equal 4 anyway. Anyway, right?
Maybe I should give you a spoon.
Did you just...
Yeah. Okay, Pablo, you can start mixing. It says either 6 or 4, so I think that that's enough.
Already coming into shape. There was a piece that I'm missing. Come on, slide down, piece. Come on. You know you want to be in here. You know you want to be a part of the slime. You have to add this video was not sponsored by Elmer's. I mean, it is not. When are we going to get sponsors? We literally have like 70-something subscribers. When are we going to get... Please help this video get help any video get sponsored. Help any future videos get sponsors. Please, we need the money. Please.
Do we? Or are we just for fun? Are we just... Oh.
Hold on.
Where are you going? Really? We're not done here. Ooh, it's getting there. Do you think
getting
we need
there.
a little bit more? Maybe one more.
Are you seriously going to add another? Well, we just messed up the recipe.
No, we did not. It looked like you needed more.
Wait, it is kind of getting into shape. It's going to 1 glob.
You know what?
What?
Get messy. Use your hands.
Okay.
Knead it like when we do pizza.
No.
Here, grab this one.
This is so weird. This feels unhuman. Ew. Add the slime effect and you'll get that
Oh,
weird.
we're almost there. Keep kneading. Feels sticky still.
Yeah, it's not gonna stop being sticky. That's the reason of slime.
Yeah, but it shouldn't be this sticky.
When I first made slime in
I remember it not being this sticky.
Do you not remember my slime being that sticky?
Well, not to the touch. What do you guys think?
Ooh. What do you guys think? Is it done or not?
I don't think so. Keep kneading.
Ah. The more I do this, the more subscribers I get. 1 subscriber. 1 subscriber. 1 subscriber, please. Please subscribe while I do this.
Is it done?
Do you think it's done?
No.
It literally...
Oh no.
Uh.
I think we should add more.
Nah, 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 nah. Oh, how you been?
Is that the rest
Ah!
of
You just covered my hand in magic liquid. There's less slime now because it's all...
it? See, I think that's what it needed. More.
touch.
Oh, touch it. That whatever you have on your hands will come off.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Keep doing it. It came off. The one on my hand, it came off.
It definitely needed some more liquid.
Uh-huh.
I mean,
It's not as sticky. So it is
coming together.
a quarter of a cup.
Isn't that what this is?
Yep.
A quarter of a cup?
See, feels better. Let me see the one.
That actually feels a little bit satisfying and unsatisfying. Teletubbies. Fly, get out of our kitchen. Fly, fly, go away. Fly somewhere else.
It's a plant fly, like fruit fly.
Fruit flies are disgusting. They're the first version of flies, aren't they? Fruit flies usually go into fruit, right? And make worms.
Oh, this feels much better. It doesn't stick to your hand anymore.
Honestly, it's much better, but I have to clean myself up from...
No, not yet. We gotta finish it.
Yeah, this is definitely what you need.
See, it's not sticking.
Unlike this. We don't know how to clean your hands.
Do your hands like this so it sticks in there. Oh man, I can't get rid of the one I have on my top. Can't take it off.
Hopefully. Jeez.
Pablo, take that off.
Take what off?
The one on my hand.
Now I have yours.
Look, I have a lot more.
Give me that. Give me this. Give me all of it. Give me. Give me. Now I have all of yours. Give me. Am I just a cleaner now? Can I clean your phone?
Okay.
So this is definitely how you make your slime.
It does take a quarter of a cup. So easy.
Wait, can I wash my hand?
Another quarter of a cup.
Wait, can we make another one?
You want to make the other one?
Yes.
You know why I want this? Because it's supposed to clean the dust from the car. Like, where'd you go? Why are you washing your hands? We're gonna do the other one. It's still sticky.
I added some sticky ingredients to it.
Oh no, now it's stuck on my hand. Where'd you go?
Do you want to show it? Do you want to show where I am?
No, hurry up.
Okay, come.
And you get these off my hand. It's definitely still sticky. And if you're gonna do this, make sure you do it over a surface
Don't do it
that
on
you
your
don't want to
carpet.
ruin, like your table.
I ate on this
your
thing for
mama's
breakfast.
kitchen table. Still sticky.
Delicious. Wait, can we give this slime to the viewers?
No.
Okay. Because you want to wash your car?
Wash my car. It does not make sense. Anyways.
To wash your car,
I think one for now is good enough. So,
It's
is this recipe from 1 to 10? What do you rate
honestly, 8.
it? 8. Why? It's an 8.
Honestly, the 2 gone away because my 2 hands are covered in sticky slime.
Yeah, well, that's what it says. Slime. What do you think is gonna happen?
The entire reason you wanted this to wash your car because of that one TikTok.
What TikTok? Okay, let's do this. This is how we're gonna rate this. Can this slime be rolled into a ball? Is that a ball?
Oh.
Can it be rolled into a ball? Can he hold its shape? Let's see. BC.
We're making a video.
Yep. It will.
Wait, can we make it the shape of a brain? Because we
Hold on. Once it's there, can it be cut into pieces?
No. I'm sorry, sir, but we will have to do surgery on you.
Ooh, now we have 2.
Nice.
Yes, it can be cut into 2.
And it can still have a round surface.
Now, can it be rolled? Let's grab one piece and roll it.
Okay.
Not really, but...
I mean, it's slime. How do you expect to roll?
Okay, let it go. Oh, it didn't stick to the things. It's a good thing.
I mean, we do have something that looks like a
It
smell.
looks really nice. Oh, I like it when they go like that. When they make the puffy one. Ooh, we should make the puffy one next time.
What puffy one?
It's like really puffy.
Oh no, my shirt. No, my favorite shirt.
Anyways, what else can we think of? Ooh, can it be stretched? How long can you stretch it for?
Hold on, let me roll it out.
Ooh, pretty stretchy.
I can't even put my arms out. Wait, can it go stretchy? Wait, there's more. It's so long. It's so long. Why so long though?
Yep, it stretches. Is it sticking to your hand like it did before?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit, but not as much.
So how do you rate this, Mom?
Yeah.
Good?
Well, it is a bit tough to make, but the more you
Roll it around.
roll it, well, it's kneading actually.
Hold on, Mom. Real quick.
Ooh.
Dinner.
No, it's not dinner.
We can keep cutting it. Wait, can you cut it one more time? Can you cut one of them one more time?
Oh, what else can we make? Like little figurines?
Ooh.
That's alright.
What's for dinner? My favorite.
Where are you on this side?
This is vaccines. You're not supposed to look back here. Anyways, I rate this a very good amount.
This is great. This is the easiest way I think there is.
Wait, can we make a minifigure
Instead of buying hundreds of dollars on slime.
Yeah.
Make your own.
Make your own. It's easier.
I mean, I ain't saying you shouldn't support local businesses, but still.
Honestly, businesses make fake versions of food, you know?
What?
They actually make fake versions of real products, like Pringles, no Prongles.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Remember?
Oh, yeah.
Wait, hold on. The Attack of the Snake.
Oh.
The new movie, Attack of the Snake, Part 1.
Ooh, let's make a snake then.
I made a figurine, a very thick boy.
An octopus. That looks like an octopus to me.
I mean, it kind of does. I'll make him waving his hand. How do I make an eye without it going inside his head?
It's just gonna sink, I think.
We got our very own slime gingerbread man.
You know what I think it looks like? One of those man from that game you play.
What game?
I don't know, it looks just like a block.
Roblox?
No.
Minecraft?
No.
Among Us?
Among Us.
Knew it. Among Us is everything. Among Us will stay king forever. Wait, should I actually comment down below? No,
Oh, look, you can make letters.
I don't care what people say. I'm making an Among Us character.
You can actually teach your kids letters, numbers, colors.
I think I want to keep this slime. Next time, we'll show you the blue color, if you're a fan of blue.
Yeah. Blue.
Wait, should we make the puffy one for blue?
Trying the blue color?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna Google how to make puffy. I think we need like shaving cream.
What?
I don't know, I think.
Shaving cream?
Yeah. Because of the puffiness.
Why would someone want shaving cream in their play? In their, like, rip-off of Play-Doh?
We already have the contact solution. So I think we're going to need some of these, and shaving cream to make it fluffy.
Okay, I made an Among Us character.
Which one is it?
It's right here.
That blob?
Yeah. No, this. Look. Hand.
That is in?
Yeah, that's how you make an Among Us character.
No.
Let me see that blob. Let me see. This thing. And this is the Among Us character hat. Well, not hat, but hand. You get me. And I already did my homework. The Among Us has been born in slime. The movie. 2.
Anyways, you
Bomb.
gotta go.
Bomb. Bomb.
Pablo, you gotta
Bomb.
go?
Goodbye. Bye, guys.
And by the way, Happy New Year. And thank you for all the subscribers.
Thank you for all of the support, love, subscribers. Thank you. We appreciate it.
So
We-
if you're not a subscriber,
What? What do I do?
make sure they subscribe.
Make sure
If you like this video, like.
subscribe and share others.
So
We
others-
hope to make more science-related content in the future. We'll be making science content this entire year.
Yeah?
Since we've been going to places last year, how about we do experiments?
Sounds interesting.
I know, new year, new thing to do. So, I hope in the future we get to do new things. Also, maybe we could show you some games next year because we could be like a new thing, new year, you know? Anyways, bye!